So we just arrived at Industry Hills. They have a car event going on. Yeah, I got cash. So we're gonna check out some cars. Hopefully we get to see what California has to offer, or at least some of it. Oh, we got E46 M3. I've seen some cool cars already. We came across a i8 that looked like a race car. I don't know what this is. It's pretty cool. We got a, dang, we got an Evo back there. Yeah, that's not California legal. Initial D car here. Pretty cool to see. And this one, this was my favorite Subaru. Oof. So nice. Very nice, very nice. Which one do you take? The old BMW or the Corolla? The Trento? The BMW. Good answer. You got a E46 wagon, 46 M3. This is sick. You see the back yet? Yeah, I remember seeing this all over the internet. Now the R32 FD. These are sick. This one's clean. This one's super clean. Goals one day. As much as I love BMWs, I'm gonna have to get a JDM one day. Hopefully soon. TEs, carbon. G80 on bags, BBS. And then we got a Liberty Walk E91. It's crazy. Got Estro Blue E36 M3. These are sick too. Let's look at this one first though.
Right about that.
Ooh, look at the interior. So amazed by all these old BMWs. Like the new ones are cool and all, but just seeing the old ones in such a good condition. making a stop at Santa Monica Pier, which we are here right now. It's a cloudy day. It's supposed to rain, but luckily the rain's been holding off. So we might be getting some rain tonight.
It's coming.
Yeah, the rain's coming. You can see. Oh yeah, you can see it over there. So it's supposed to rain sometime tonight. We brought the rain from North Carolina, I guess, because it never rains in California. So yeah, at least we got to see some cars. We got to enjoy, you know, some clear days, and hopefully the rain pushes off until at least Monday, because then we head back out Tuesday morning. So this video is actually going to come out by the time that I get back home, because I'm still behind 2 videos and I'm having issues with one. So we'll just continue the vlogs as our stay goes, and then just upload them once we get back.